How to buy Leonardo by Virtuos token. So this token came under the symbol of LEONAI. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check Derek's account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, this token, it's available on the screener. And if you want to buy it, just click on here to copy the token address. And remember, this token address is under the base network. Now go and open your wallet. For this I will use the Bitget wallet. Now after that, log into your wallet like this. Now after that, switch the network here to base like that. Click on this plus icon. Now paste the token address here. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on plus icon. Go back to your wallet and find your token here. So this is it. Now click on it, click on swap, and I'll switch from here, and from the top select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC, and here type how much you want to buy, and wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive as well. So this is it. Now after that, click on buy and you will buy this token. So this is how to buy Leonardo by Virtuos token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.